This works a lot better. I'm experimenting with the new GoPro kind of like thing, and I finally figured out how to get the screen to show up on the front side of the camera, so now I can face the camera and see myself, so then I know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing not right, kind of thing.
Like Toyota factory trained
Anyways,
installing Toyota genuine
so
parts for all your
recap,
maintenance and repair needs and more.
we drain the
And we can
oil.
offer a price match promise on a new set of tires. Terms and conditions apply. Get more for your Toyota this spring.
Removed a couple things like the muffler
Local Ontario Toyota dealer or
and
shoptoyota.ca.
Join Royal Distributing at their spring No Tax Sales event at their brand new retail location on now for a limited time.
I wasn't recording, but I managed to get the clutch cable off. That was a pain. There wasn't a good spot to get leverage to push that. Okay, I guess it's not gonna. Oh, there we go. Still experimenting. Anyways, to get the clutch cable off, I had to wedge the case for the impact driver in between the frame and the swing arm for the clutch cable. And then I had to fiddle with it with a screwdriver and get the little nub out so then I could get the wires through the little opening. Anyways, it's out. Do I want to do it again? No. I've encountered a bit of an issue, which I have seen lots of people have issues with it, according to YouTube videos. And that's those stupid JIS screws, bolts, whatever the hell you want to call them, the things that make the crankcase stick to the rest of the engine. I use the impact driver. It is almost midnight in my parkade. So I don't think it's an intelligent idea to continue banging on that with a hammer. At the same time, it's also a pain because it's starting to strip those nice cutouts on them. So I'm going to revisit what I should do to get them out before I completely break everything and can't get it out. Although I have managed to get three of them loose out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 out of 10. That's not a very good outlook, but tomorrow morning I will be going to Canadian Tire and I will be getting the appropriate size screws with a hex key or bolt or something, so then when the next person thinks that this is a great idea, they'll have an easier time. So I'll get up and give you a look at what I've accomplished so far. I will be putting the drain plug back in, just so then holding it overnight. It's not going to continuously just dribble all over the floor in the parkade. And then I'm going to pack it up for the night, upload the videos. I've got some other stuff that I want to do. Maybe I'll post videos of that too. Gotta change some light bulbs in my car. And I think that's about it. That's video worthy. But yeah, I'll zoom out here in a second and then we'll go from there. I've been kneeling on the ground for a little too long. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are like, you're only 30. You shouldn't be moving that slow getting up off the floor. But yeah, I hate to tell you, but that's not the case for me. Alright, I'm going to switch the camera around. If it lets me. I guess maybe I can't do it mid. No, I can't do it mid. Anyway. So, muffler's gone. Kickstarter's gone. Clutch cable is off. I'll get the light shine in here so that's better to see. Clutch cable's off. So what I'll do for the meantime is I'll get the parts that I did take off cleaned up and pack up all my tools because I've got a giant mess here. But yeah, anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'll upload these as soon as I get upstairs. Alright, see you guys.